Happy Taco Tuesday, everyone. I'm making this video on a Tuesday, the 28th day of July, 2026. My name is Mark, along with my wife Sherry, my grandson John, and my granddaughter Abby. We are the Product Review Geeks. Today, I'm going to be reviewing Chenango Valley State Park. We're up here visiting family, and we booked a site for 4 days here. All right, now, there's a lot of RV parks and stuff around, but there's nothing like this right here. It's about $25 a day for a site. That gives you electricity. Now they've got a community water and community septic. It's on the way out for the septic, and there's water receptacles around where you can fill your tank. Most RVs have a freshwater tank and a pump, so it's not really a big problem. But they've got restrooms, and they got shower facilities and stuff here, so you don't really have to worry about that. You can take a shower and you can go brush your teeth there. And, you can take care of yourself. What I really like about it is it's nice and peaceful. They've got last night we were sitting outside with the campfire, and the park ranger drives around, checks on everybody, so it's definitely very safe here. It's beautiful. The sites are spacious. It's just anything that you really want as far as a campsite goes. It's nice and relaxing. It's easy to get here, easy access off of 88. For, anywhere from like 81, 17. You come up Route 88, you take the Chenango Valley exit. There's signs there to say Chenango Valley State Park. It's maybe about 2 or 3 miles off the exit. It's not really that far. It's easy to get in, easy to get out. It's easy to turn around. When you come into the sites, you got to go around, and then you can back in. They're all back in sites. I didn't see any pull-in sites, and they've got sites below. They've also got sites up on top where the lake is up on top, but we got down on the bottom here. It's closer. And, the prices, like I said, the prices, you really can't beat the price. Because most of the RV parks around here are like at least $60 or $70 a night. You can stay all week here for, $110 or $115. And I had to do something came up, and I had to drop one day, which is no problem because they refunded me on that. As long as you do it within a certain amount of time, you're good. Let's see what else they got here, right here on the video here. There's 209 sites here, okay. All right, they've got a golf course. They've got cabins. This is where we are right here in Chipmunk Bluff, and then they've got Pine Bluff up above here. And here's the lake. They've got a swimming area up there. And, you can go fishing, boating. There's picnic areas. And there's even a place down towards the end down here. There's a road that goes to the left. If you're looking for firewood, there's a guy up there that has firewood for $5 a bundle, and you get a great big bundle too. This is something that, if you're gonna go camping, you're up in the Binghamton, New York area, this is a place where you're gonna want to visit. Well, this is Mark from the Product Review Geeks saying thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out Chenango Valley State Park. And this website here, the New York State Parks and Recreation, they've got other parks and stuff you can check out, depending on where in New York State you are. And I think most of the states around have some, but we stayed in one in, where was it? West Virginia one time. I can't remember the name of it, but it was way out in the boonies, and there's no Wi-Fi service or even cell phone service or nothing out there, so I wouldn't kind of recommend that one. But this one here, we have a Wi-Fi hotspot, and we're picking up really good. Our cell phones pick up good, so it's cell phone and Wi-Fi hotspot friendly here. So thanks for tuning in, everyone. This is Mark from the Product Review Geeks saying thanks, and we'll see you again in our next video. Have a blessed day, everyone.